This is a brief tutorial to help students if their teacher's having them create a fake Facebook account for a person from history. You'll notice it's a Google Slides, and right now it looks kind of small in terms of being able to read it. So you may want to go first thing to view, click on zoom, and make it larger. Notice that there are 3 pages. It has a wall, it has an info page, and it has photos. As you start to put in your person, notice that there are several places you're going to have to put the same picture and make sure that you put the person's name. You want to stay away from messing with these hyperlinks. These hyperlinks are set up so that you can click on those and it takes you to that page. So that information is already formatted for you. If it's still not big enough, you of course can zoom in more. You're going to want to include information about the person. Depending on how far back in time your person is, you may not have as specific information if it's, say, a person that lived in the last few hundred years. When you're ready to add in images, you can go here and search the web. If you find that you're not getting the type of images you'd like to have, you're going to want to go over here to Google and do a Google image search. And then, of course, come back to your project and image with option of upload from the computer. Make sure on the various pages you change again the name of the person, the picture. You're going to want to use that picture in several locations. Every time a person posts on Facebook, the image also comes up. Hopefully, students, that's gotten you started. Good luck as you continue to work.